Hey everyone! If CS2 is not launching after the new update, I'll show you several easy methods to fix it. Just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. Open Steam. Go to Library. Right-click Counter-Strike 2. Select Properties. Open Installed Files. Then click Browse. Open the game folder. Then open CSGO. Then open the CFG folder. Look for a file named autoexec.cfg. If you find it, delete the file. If you don't have an autoexec.cfg file, skip this method. Go back to Steam. Right-click Counter-Strike 2. Select Properties. Open Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to finish verifying the files. Close Steam. Right-click Steam. Select Run as Administrator. If the problem still persists, update your graphics card driver. Then restart your computer. Now launch CS2. The game should now be working. If you're still having this problem, let us know in the comments. We'll make a guide for you. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more easy guides. Thank you for watching.